Morning, welcome. I'm Joey, and this is Breakfast with Dad. And today we're gonna make some French toast. But I'm gonna put the French toast in here. They're gonna be French toast muffins. Half is gonna be eggnog. The other half is gonna be a Christmas tree base. Let's go. So we're gonna start with the eggnog side. Here's what we're gonna start with. It's gonna be plain and simple. I'm gonna blend my mixture up for my French toast. You don't have to blend yours up. You can literally just mix it up yourself. I find blending makes it better. We're just gonna cut this bread up, get it into our bowl. Preheat your oven to 350. If you don't have one of these, this is a Ninja Bullet. That's fine. I'm gonna do 2 eggs. Bada bing, bada bing. 2 eggs and my Christmas tree. Christmas tree, my Christmas tree. About a half a cup. You might. We'll look at it and see what it looks like. We need to add an extra egg. Breakfast. Yeah, I want a little bit more thicker. Thicker? Yeah, we want a little bit more. I'm gonna get my bread, and we're just gonna pour this right on over it. Get it good and absorbed. Now this is the part where your hand's gonna get a little dirty, and I'm sorry for that. But we're just gonna start pushing that in, and that bread is literally gonna absorb any and all moisture. And that's simple. We're just gonna take that mixture and we're gonna start building French toast muffins. And this is one of those simple things that you can wake up early in the morning, especially on a holiday. Like, I don't know, what's the next holiday coming up? Christmas? Straight regular broiled bread. I have made French toast with this plenty of times. I've made French toast muffins with this plenty of times. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cut it up first. Because we want a good French toast. I want different toast. I want different toast. I want a different toast. My oven's preheated to 400 degrees. Eggnog. It's the nog of the egg. Nice, rich, thick. I just needed that one. I did that one. I did that one. No. Use your thumb. We made eggnog even more eggier and noggier. And we're just going to pour that right on over our bread. Because the bread's going to absorb it. So we're just going to start using our hands. Okay. Oh, and you smell the eggnog. It's rich. So we're going to grab our pan. I'll get it for you in a sec, baby. This half is Christmas tree. This half is the nog of egg. I will put cinnamon on this one. Put them in the oven for about 45 minutes. This is what Aspen has created with myself. I will give her credit though. Give her credit where credit is due. Look at these. They're stunning. All right, let's try. This is the eggnog. Why haven't I done this earlier? Oh my gosh. Christmas tree. Oh, look how thick that thing is. Mm. How thick those are. Thick. I've done a lot of breakfast on this channel. Oh my gosh. Make these. I'm telling you. Make them. If you don't make anything else on my channel, make these. 40 minutes in the oven until they get golden brown. They rise up. They get big and bulky. Good and strong.